Hey, Kaajal.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, not much. You know what? We got another listing here. I'm so excited. Where are you at?
You know, I'm actually with my kids at Shadow Cliffs Park. What's up?
Oh, you know what? I'm here at 2673 Vista Diablo Court. You know where that is?
Oh my gosh, that's literally a mile away from where I am.
That's awesome. You know, I really want you to come by, bring your kids. I want you to check out this beautiful property we got that we're going to list together. So I'll see you in about 2 minutes.
Sounds good.
Okay, bye. Hey, Kaajal, guess what? This one has 3-car garage. Why don't you park at one of the spots?
Perfect. Wow, this property is amazing.
Isn't it? Hi, kids.
I love the curb appeal.
Yeah.
You know what, guys? Why don't you go play in the backyard while I take a look at the house?
Kaajal, you're gonna love this house. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, almost 2,800 square feet.
Wow.
Got a beautiful yard, no neighbors behind you. Let's go take a tour. Come on in, Kaajal. Look at the entrance, right? As soon as you walk in, it's so bright in here and such an open floor plan. I love the living room. And you're gonna love the kitchen.
Oh my God.
Let's come on. The views are amazing. You have no neighbors behind you. Kaajal, don't you love the kitchen?
Absolutely.
It's amazing.
I love it.
I love the family and the kitchen combo, and not to mention you have a bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs, which comes in so handy for so many families, right?
Yes, absolutely. And honestly, my favorite part is this view.
I imagine cooking or having a cup of tea and looking out the window. It's unbelievable. Now, talk about schools. Now, obviously, you live here.
I do.
Yeah.
So, elementary, middle, and high school
Yeah.
are all amazing. You have Quarry Lane Preschool right down the street,
Wow.
which is so convenient
Right.
for non-elementary kids.
Yeah.
The location is just absolutely perfect.
It really is. Kaajal, what do you think about this house?
Absolutely perfect. I'm so excited about it.
Yeah, no, it's great. Why don't you tell our audience about this mega open house you're having?
Yeah, absolutely. So this weekend we're having a mega open house. We're gonna have some food, a jazz band, some drinks, some coffee, some tea, and ice cream for the kids. It's gonna be super hot in Pleasanton.
I can't wait. So guys, if you have any questions, first of all, we're looking forward to seeing you, hopefully at our mega open house. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us anytime. And we're looking forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.
新出屋喺 Pleasanton， 呢間屋有山景，近學校580、680公路同埋 BART。呢間屋2層，總共有5個房、3個廁，下邊有1個房、1個廁同埋3個大車房。Pleasanton 係有好學校同埋好區，一定要嚟睇。